Hi guys. Jeep Wrangler is designed for customization. In video, we will cover top 5 modifications that will completely change look and performance of Jeep. These are some of most popular mods for Wrangler owners looking to upgrade vehicle. Right combination of these add-ons will take your Wrangler's appearance and capabilities to next level. And hit subscribe button for more content. Buckle up for ultimate front-end protection makeover. Does your brave Jeep Wrangler charge into rocky terrain daily, yet still sport those flimsy factory bumpers? Well, off-road gods have answered exposed JK owners' prayers with YITAMOTOR's hardcore full-width bumper beasts. Ditch puny OEM plastic guards once and for all. Relentless steel shields span Fender flare to mighty Fender flare, absorbing major impacts while transforming JK exteriors into unstoppable monsters. We're talking zero-compromise line of defense coverage with menacing style. How can apathetic aluminum bars even compare? Securely hide your Rubicon headlights, signals and precious fog lights behind your armor instead of leaving everything exposed. Maximize flexibility too with pre-cut recovery points, plus great fog brackets accepting factory units seamlessly. Wave goodbye to restrictive plans, because docking stations position gear freely up front. Other bonuses like textured coating and open undersides reduce future corrosion and allow major airflow access when plowing through elements daily. Whether tackling Moab's infamous Hell's Revenge or simply surviving metropolitan parking garages, YITAMOTOR's Wrangler weaponry brings much-needed muscle to vulnerable noses. Have your stock JK fenders been taking a tiresome beating lately from relentless off-road rubble? Do scratches and dents now cruelly accent where pristine paint once lit after every craggy conquest? Fear not, weary Wrangler warriors. Fender Flare at OEDRO are here to protect precious sheet metal and upgrade JK style with their heavy-duty stainless shields. Custom-crafted contours bolster factory contours with nearly 3 inches of added coverage front and rear. That means finally kissing goodbye to debris damage while flaunting some signature overland panache. Tough textured powder coating not only delivers rugged matte aesthetics, but seriously boosted longevity versus flaky paint. Installs are a cinch too, utilizing existing mounting points, no drilling or mods needed. Simply sandwich sturdy stainless between body and bolt with provided hardware to expanded protection ready for immediate action. While flimsy plastic guards warp and crack embarrassingly fast, OEDRO's unbreakable armor plays hard in mud mosh pits all day, then pressure cleans refreshingly clean afterwards. Plus added clearance from detached defenders allow stuffing even gnarliest tires underneath for extreme suspension articulation. Dare your JK to traverse new hostile terrain and extreme inclines with awesome OEM plus upgrade shielding beloved fenders. Confidence and style surge ahead with ultimate layer of light armor. Does clasping bulky hood every fluid check seem more arduous lately after years of faithful Wrangler servicing? Fear not, noble Jeepers, QuickLIFT at Redline Tuning are here to eliminate strain and headaches forever. Behold QuickLIFT Plus, a crafty contraption of custom struts and springs that harnesses existing mount points for a completely reversible OEM Plus upgrade. Simply bolt sturdy supports into place without any permanent mods. Installing transformation takes just minutes. Marvel as pneumatic power gently lifts open hood, steadily holding position for unobstructed engine access at maximum height. No more awkward fumbling with cumbersome one-hand balancing axe trying not to smudge that perfect paint job. Both hands are now free to pour, check and replace fluids confidently. And feel the frustration melt away as the entire hydraulic assembly slows gently upon reaching full extension, preventing forceful slamming later. Such smart, common sense touches our Wrangler truly deserves. QuickLIFT also charms with sleek powder-coated uniforms to match factory blacks aesthetically when not on display. Brawny steel construction shrugs off years of regular wear without bending too, unlike flimsy prop rods. But what very best bit? Quick release triggers effortlessly unlatch struts to revert back to manual mode anytime. Enjoy best of both worlds with Dual Jeep. Have you noticed how sorely outdated and inefficient your trusty JK's entertainment system seems lately compared to your sleek personal devices at home? It pains me to see such reliable four-wheeling friends lacking modern multimedia magic that's become standard in connected life. But subpar suffering finally ceases thanks to Stinger's game-changing touchscreen and audio overhaul. Out with archaic factory radio. Replacing restrictive stock stereos used to be a tedious tangle of wiring woes. But Stinger's plug-and-play harness miraculously modernizes any classic Wrangler cockpit in minutes. I'm talking transforming static, button-cluttered dashes into stunning 10 LCD command centers. How satisfying to see burly 07, 18 Jeep models flaunting smartphone syncing capabilities well beyond newer rivals. Never feel limited by aging rides again with this wizardly wake-up. And that's just glorious glossy touchscreen beginning. Experience booming amplified sound thanks to built-in DSP power. Are kiddos constantly begging for better rear seat viewing? Stinger's multiple camera inputs have families covered. Connect navigation apps effortlessly for confident trailblazing adventures ahead too. Don't forget essential USB ports within easy reach. Jeep now rocks modern multimedia like elite luxury cars, making outdated factory radios a hilarious relic of past. Stop denying classic Wranglers their wireless birthright any longer. With a few plugs, Stinger catapults cobwebbed entertainment into mobile future. Happy cruising. Has your JK Unlimited's capacious cargo hold seen better days after one too many muddy expeditions? Scratched plastics, stained carpets, lingering pet odors, oh my. As if keeping interiors presentable across off-road adventures wasn't hard enough already. But at Rugged Ridge, taming unruly trunk transformations is specialty. Introducing C3 cargo covers. Custom canvas shields configure multiple ways to contain chaos whether seats stand upright or lie flat. Unlike flimsy universal alternatives, CEs wrap every inch in protective coverage. Side retention flaps prevent gear launching towards passengers, while handy front curtain neatly corrals contents. Does your rambunctious retriever still think Jeep equals playtime despite mess left behind? Simply zip flip down flaps closed for fur-friendly barriers so Fido can tag along comfortably without chaos. I especially admire how the covers adapt easily between hauling dirty gear across rocky trails to huddle kids cleanly to school the very next day. Spills wipe up effortlessly and base material simply rolls up for quick removal later. No more staining or scrubbing eyesores if plans suddenly shift on beautiful weekends. Dare I declare C3 the ultimate secret weapon protecting JKs from chaotic cargo and creatures simultaneously? This convertible cover confidence inspires countless more memories ahead with four-wheeling companions instead of restricting activities. Well played yet again, Rugged Ridge. Thanks for tuning in, adventurers. I hope you enjoyed tour of Jeep accessories to upgrade your off-road beast. Make sure to check video description for links to all gear we featured. Let us know which products caught your eye or if you have any recommendations for ultimate Wrangler build. Click subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming showcase of accessories.